Our first time riding the e-bikes on the trails. My little buddy here got the MX350 with custom stickers, variable throttle. That's about it. I got the MX650, pretty much all stock right now. Just a little fake foam pro taper. I'll be getting some better handlebars pretty soon. And got a little bit better suspension under here somewhere. You can see that. But besides that, just out here to have some fun. It's Boogie. Go. Don't look down. Look straight. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it, buddy.
Oh, we have to go slow.
Oh yeah, you're right. Come on. Keep up, buddy. I'm right behind you, buddy. You having fun?